Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Polkadot tokens on your Ledger Nano X and want to move them to Uphold for easier trading or spending, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover any recent updates to keep things smooth and secure. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a veteran, I'll walk you through this step by step in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer and ensure the Polkadot app is installed on your device. This is crucial because Polkadot requires its own app for secure interactions. Next, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and unlock it with your PIN. Once that's done, open the Polkadot app on the device. Now, head over to a compatible web wallet or interface like the Polkadot.js extension in your browser. This will allow you to view your Polkadot address safely. On the Uphold side, log into your Uphold account through their website or app. Navigate to the Wallets section and select Polkadot. You'll see an option to deposit funds. Click that and copy the provided wallet address. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. It's your safety net in crypto. Back on your Polkadot interface, go to the Send or Transfer function. Paste the Uphold address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Polkadot you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Don't forget to factor in any network fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to blockchain updates. Once everything looks good, approve the transaction on your Ledger Nano X by confirming on the device's screen. This adds an extra layer of security. Sit back and wait for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain. It usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on it via a Block Explorer. A quick tip. Always transfer a small test amount first to verify everything works. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay vigilant against phishing or fake sites. If you run into any issues, check Uphold's support or Ledger's resources. There you have it. Your Polkadot is now on its way to Uphold. This process keeps your assets secure while giving you more flexibility. If this helped, hit that like button. Subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.